What up YouTube? It's your boy Detroit Love with another video. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of accessories I'm using with my RadCity bike by Rad Power Bikes. Check it out. To mention another change here. I mounted my kryptonite lock here on the side. It has that mount that comes with it, and it normally goes on, you know, one of these bars, but just not enough room. So it's on there pretty solid. I just use this Velcro to just tie this down so there's no rattle. But this is, the cable is in there pretty tight too. So it's a good spot for it. I have another U-lock that I may try and put on this side. Just whenever I'm not carrying a bag, I like to always have my locks available. Alright, so this is the start of the Dequender Cut Green, and so it begins here at that's Dequender going north, and this street here east to west is Mac. So Mac and Dequender is the start of the cut. No motor vehicles, but that don't include my electric bike. You know, stations there for joggers and people to get some help if they run into some issues. Here in the marina, I have this headlamp with a tail lamp. It's a headband, but I never like it on my head. It's, you know, I just don't like putting this on my head. So I'm gonna try something different. The light is just attached to this strap. strap has this little slit that allows the strap to be placed on and off. So there's just a little slit there. So if you just slip this up in that slot, you can slide this off pretty easily. I'm not making it look so easy, but it is. And I'm assuming that the back piece, this is a tail lamp, you can have that flash or be solid. It has the same thing, so it can come off with the strap pretty easily. So what I want to do is attach it to my helmet so it's not on my head. So I'm going to try using these straps to create a area for that to mount to. So I think I might need 2 straps. Hopefully this will work. Strap this the right way. Might have to put it on first. Yeah, it's gonna have to happen.
And we want to, if you can, adjust this down or up. So, come on, wait, let's work on that.
I mean, it's fine. It's a little loose, but it's fine. It'd be nice if it was right there. So I think I have a different solution for the back. I'll be back. So I use this stuff for everything. It's called Extreme Outdoor All Weather Rough Surfaces Velcro. Holds up to 15 pounds. So I use this for everything. She would just use a little piece of this for that. Guess scissors will help. I always like the furry piece to be on the removable piece. So that would be on the light itself. And the hook side on the fixed object. Now I could Velcro this one as well, but the way that door is, that battery likes to pop open, so I like having the strap to secure that. So this is a pretty simple solution, and the nice thing is this is velcroed on, fairly fixed. I mean, obviously it's removable because it's Velcro, but this is small and unintrusive, so that can stay on the helmet all the time. There may be times when you don't want this headlight on the helmet, and using these Velcro straps is a perfect solution because you can remove this anytime, throw it in your bag on the bike, and it's there when you need it to be added. So I think this is the perfect solution for someone, if you're like me, where you don't like to have this band on your head, and it's obviously not a good solution for your head if you got the helmet on, because how is it going to mount both? So you can keep the strap in the bag if you need to. Even with this Velcro, you could put this back on that band if you're going to say go run instead of bike, and so it's interchangeable depending on your need. So I hope these accessories you found helpful. This is Detroit Love with another video, and until next time, I'll see you on the web.